Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today we are here with a fun game. Basically the game is, you can see Ammu is right here with this dangerous toy, which you may be thinking it's not dangerous, but it's for us because today's game is that we are going to ask Ammu. No, actually there will be some questions that the questions will be loud and it will be asked to Ammu, and whatever her opinion is, like who is more something dash, and whoever Ammu thinks is that me or her, and then she's gonna hit the rabbit on the head just like that, and then that means that person is more, like that. So let's start the game with our first question.
Who is the oldest sibling?
Oh yeah, me. I'm the oldest. Guys, you also know that. Let's move on to the second question.
Who is the most annoying?
Me? Why me? It's her. Okay.
No.
Okay, guys, this is cheating. This is cheating. I'm not annoying, right?
Are.
No.
Let's move on to the third question.
Okay, question number 3.
Who argues more?
Okay, this I'll agree. I argue more. Okay. Fourth question. Why it's me every time? Fourth question.
Who is more caring?
Oh yeah. Chalo, we both are caring. Of course, everybody cares about their family, I'm sure. Let's move on to the fifth question.
Who is more like your parents?
What? Wait. Okay. Let's go on to the sixth question.
Who is mom's favorite?
Oh. I'm mom's favorite. I'm the star child of our family. No, actually, we both are. Let's move on to the seventh question. Go.
Who gets good marks?
I know that. I get good marks, but I'm not sure of it. She gets good marks, but I get more than her. Next question.
Who is more funny?
Yeah, she's so funny. Even if when I'm sad, she makes me laugh. That's one of our talents, I can say. Let's move on to the next question.
Who is more kind?
Again me. Okay, I don't care. Next question.
Who gets more scolded?
No, I'm just kidding. Okay, I get more scolded. That's kind of usual, but I'm not the something child.
Naughty.
Naughty child. Next question.
Who sleeps more?
She sleeps a lot. She will lie down on the bed and then she's sleeping. Next question.
Who takes more time for getting ready?
Okay.
Yeah, she takes a lot of time to get ready.
Okay. Sometimes, but sometimes I'm super fast. And next question.
Who watches more TV?
Okay. We would watch TV together, so same. Next question.
Who is more talkative?
Yeah, this is common. All my friends and even you guys know I'm so talkative. Question.
Who is more athletic?
Yeah, she is kinda, but I'm faster than her and I'm more flexible than her. I'm better than her at sports, but yeah, she's more athletic. I don't know if that makes sense or not. Anyway, next question.
Who is more lazier?
She's so lazy. Sometimes she doesn't even want to get up from her bed, even to drink water during this Ramadan time. Next question.
Who reads more?
Yeah, I love reading about nonsense stuff that isn't useful to me, but I like reading. Next question.
Who is more chill?
Both of us? That was unusual. Next question.
Who is more famous?
I don't know why, but at school everybody is just like asking me everything, and then she's like so happy about that. She can take advantage, like be friend of a famous person. It helps a lot. Next question.
Who has more friends?
I knew
Of
that one
course.
because I have only one friend. I mean, everybody in my class and in my school is friend, but I have only one best friend. And she is like, this is my friend and that is my friend. Everybody is my friend and my best friend. It has to be her. Next question.
Who is the best sibling?
Yay.
Why her? I care more about us. She doesn't even give me her chocolate. I give her my chocolate.
You don't like to eat chocolate.
Yeah, but I don't care. Anyway, I hope you like this video and I am sure you got to know more about us. And yeah, Mr. Bunny, you got to know more about us, and that was my mom's opinion. Next time I'm sure we will do it. Yeah, I got it. We'll do it both of us and we'll have a lot of fun. I hope you like this video and we'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Masalama.